Hello, this is Roblox Studio, and I want to make a game about touching grass. So, I decided to go and ask ChatGPT what to do, and yeah, that's how we're gonna get started with making the game. And I only have 1 hour to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go find a gaming room that looks like mine. So this one obviously doesn't look like mine, but this one over here looks kind of like mine. Yeah, it's not as good as mine, but still. And then we add a spawn pad into the room so that the player spawns inside there. So when we run the game, you see that, yeah, you spawn inside the room and you can go outside, but there's no grass. And that's pretty important for a game about touching grass. So we go and add some grass. I just take this thing from the workplace thingy, and now if we go outside, we have grass to walk on, which is great. So I don't know how, but I got stuck on this wall. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna add the walls because we can't have the player just walk off into the distance, right? But then when I tried to play the game, the door was broken, so I have to go ahead and find a way to fix that. And yeah, I got this time lapse of me just adding different rooms and stuff. I don't know what to say besides that, but yeah, we get it working, right? And we go ahead and add a script to the server script. So this one's going to be running on the server, and it's called touch grass script, right? I know it's creative, but yeah, we go and just do the code. I'm not going to explain the code because no one's allowed to know that, you know, it's top secret stuff. No one needs to see that. Yeah, just put that away, yeah, put it away. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add a local script now, and that's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be local, right? So, and we're just gonna add the code again. No one can know about that, but yeah, when I play the game, I go outside, nothing's working. So that's great, isn't it? So I go ahead and add the graphical user interface, you know, it's fancy words, right? So yeah, we're gonna add the frame and stuff and a script. And while I show the top secret script, it's a good time to mention that you should probably subscribe and yeah, something like that, you know, subscribe, maybe comment some stuff, I don't know. And then we go and we just create the UI in the game itself. So we want to create the bar and we want to say how much XP the person has and stuff like that, right? And then we go run the game, and you know, I'm expecting it to work at this point, but again, nothing's working. And that's just kind of the story of my life, right? But yeah, we only have 24 minutes. The game doesn't even work, so we need to crack on with that, right? So I go ahead and add a script in the server script, and this one's just to debug what's going on. I don't know why I'm typing so slow, but yeah, debug server scripts, right? And then yeah, I definitely wrote all that code myself and ran the script, and yeah, I don't know what's going on. Honestly, I didn't know what was going on, but it turned out it was a very simple fix, and I kind of skipped over that in the video, but it was genuinely just changing the name of one of the parts in the game, where you can actually see me quickly change it over here. But yeah, after I changed that, I go outside and the XP is working. You're touching grass, fine, and you're getting rewarded for touching grass. You actually do get rewarded in real life. But yeah, we have 14 minutes left, and we're gonna go ahead and add a shop because I mean the rest of the game's done. I want to see if I can add something or some sort of incentives, right, to keep touching grass. So I create this shop and I have different items. I'm just speeding through it because there's no point in showing it, right? But yeah, you collect XP, you go to the shop and you can get these different things. I can't they're all fake too. You don't actually get them either. But yeah, only 2 minutes left. We're gonna go and publish the game to Roblox. So I think one of the issues that I came across was that I can't call it Touch Grass Simulator. I'm not sure why, but it said that it's not mature or something, I don't know, appropriate. So I called it Outside Simulator. It's close enough, right? And I do this form to publish it, and now the game is finished. So make sure you make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, tell all your friends and family about this because it's an important channel, and obviously there's nothing better to watch, so might as well just, you know. So bye, I'll probably catch you in the next video, hopefully.